In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix forms not working, particularly issues related to submissions and email notifications. Let's dive into some straightforward steps to help you troubleshoot this common problem, ensuring your Wix forms run smoothly and reliably. We'll begin our process by addressing a fundamental element that often causes issues with web applications, which is your browser settings. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and navigate directly to your browser settings. This helps prepare your browser environment to effectively handle data requests from web applications like Wix. Next, within the browser settings, look for an option that allows you to clear browsing data. It usually includes options like cache, cookies, and other site data. The cache stores temporary files to help your browser load sites faster, while cookies save your preferences. However, over time, these can cause issues by storing outdated information that conflicts with current web data requirements, particularly with interactive elements like forms. Now go ahead and clear this data. This may vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, but typically, you'll find these options in the privacy or security section of the settings. It might feel a bit counterintuitive to clear all this data, but it's a crucial step in eliminating potential sources of problems. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will log you out of most websites, so make sure to save any important login information before proceeding. After you've successfully cleared your cache and cookies, it's time to test if the problem with your Wix forms persists. Return to your Wix site and try to access your form once again. Check if you can now submit responses or if the email notifications are being sent correctly as expected. If this initial approach doesn't resolve the issue, it might be worth exploring further steps. These could involve checking your form settings on Wix for any misconfigurations or external integrations that might be interfering. Always ensure your email addresses are correctly linked and verified in the form settings. Lastly, it's beneficial to stay updated with Wix's support resources or any notifications regarding updates or system maintenance that could affect functionality. This ongoing attention to detail ensures not just a one-time fix, but continual optimal performance of your forms. I hope this guide has helped clarify how to quickly address and resolve issues with Wix form submissions and emails not functioning as they should. By routinely clearing your browser's data cache and cookies, and ensuring your form settings are correctly configured, you can minimize technical hiccups and maintain a seamless experience for your form users. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.